Hi guys, today I'm gonna grieve wild codes in Animal Company. So today I'm gonna use this one-shot weapon that has a long range and can kill anyone. So let me just show you guys. So this is the one-shot weapon. Now if I lose it, like I can just grab it like this. And look at the range. Let me just place it right here. And as you can see, this is a lot of range. If you wanna scan it, let me know. Type it in the comments. Oh my god. Anyways, let's go join a wild code now. I'm joining Wild Tree because no one is here, so I'm gonna join Wild 4. But the reason why I'm not joining Wild is because it's laggy.
Hey bro, we're good. No.
Okay, I'm gonna join Wild 1. I'm gonna mute myself, guys. It's a lag glitch. And I pair invisible. If I don't have watch, then I'm invisible to autos. And I lag. So that's why I'm gonna rejoin. Oh. Okay. Okay, I joined the private code because, you know. So I'm gonna just go. I'm gonna now get a teleport gun. Now let's go grieve wild codes. Okay, I'm up here because nobody have to see me because I can't get down. Now there's no members. Anyways, I'm gonna go.
Yo guys, everyone team up on the pink.
I'm gonna go hide so I can go to the stage 5 without anyone noticing. I have to be underground at stage 5, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go underground at stage 5 and I'm gonna spam. So I'm gonna just go over here. Let's grieve wild card. Yo.
Well, stop it.
Yo, I'm about to get banned.
What are you doing, bro? Bubble loose.
Oh my god, they have no chance.
Take his thing. Take it. Take it when he... It's here. Why don't you take his thing?
Clap, just don't go Jamie.
Hope you know, I'm just gonna use this for fun. Thank you.
Oh my god, they have no chance. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm being hit.
Some monkey came over and tried killing me.
No fuck with it. Gonding.
Oh my god. I just killed all of them. Now what if I go there and they will see me? Yeah, I have to do something. So I'm just gonna go underground again. I hope they not see me. As you can see, guys, I finally glitched out. Now I'm gonna glitch again. Oh my god, they have absolutely no chance. They don't even know if I'm here. What the flick? Did I just have the space monster here? Or am I tweaking? Yo, they are using safe zone now. Okay, now let's change the wall code. Oh my god, that was worth watch. Now I'm gonna join the wall 4. So let's go.
Come over here, man, over here.
Now I'm gonna go to wake to this corner. Okay, nobody's at stage 5. Yeah, no one at stage 5. They have been at stage 5, but not now. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked that I destroyed the whole wild code just for you guys to watch this video. And if I even showed up there, I will get instantly reported, and I will get like reported crazy. I will get spam reported, spam killed. So yeah, they will try to take my item. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See ya. Bye. See you in the next video. Drop on drop.